High-efficiency magnetic coagulation and sedimentation process adopts an integrated tank structure layout, a comprehensive structure integrating sludge pump hearths, mixed flocculation, and tube settler. The mixing and flocculation unit consists of a coagulant reaction tank, a magnetic powder mixing tank, and a flocculation reaction tank. Sludge is returned to the magnetic powder mixing tank. Raw water passes sequentially through the packed dosing tank, magnetic powder dosing tank, and PEM dosing tank. Destabilized colloidal particles coagulate with positively charged metal salts through the bridging action of polymers. A large number of magnetic complexes with magnetic powder as the core are finally formed. These flocks have large particle size, high density, and are not easily broken. In the clarification zone, most magnetic flocks settle rapidly. They are scraped by a heavy-duty scraper into the central sludge hopper. The remaining tiny flocks enter the countercurrent tube settler to complete the sedimentation of the residual flocks. A water collection trough is installed at the top of the clarifier for water collection. The return surplus sludge pump is also connected to the central sludge hopper. The sludge pump is a wear-resistant slurry pump. The sludge pipeline is made of polyethylene collection pipe. The return pump sends the sludge to the magnetic powder mixing tank. The surplus pump sends it to the magnetic separation equipment. The magnetic separation equipment is installed on top of the tank. The surplus magnetic sludge passes through a shear, a magnetic powder pre-recovery unit, and a magnetic separator. The magnetic powder pre-recovery unit can pre-return magnetic media with relatively high specific gravity to the magnetic powder mixing tank in advance. Magnetic sludge with lower specific gravity enters the magnetic separator for final magnetic sludge separation. After separation, the magnetic powder falls back by gravity into the magnetic powder mixing tank. This completes the cyclic dosing and reuse of magnetic powder. The surplus sludge separated by the magnetic separator flows by gravity to the sludge storage tank. It is then pumped by the sludge discharge pump to the plant sludge filtering system. Thank you for watching.